So, welcome to James Mete Smart Farm. In this video, I want to talk about goat, and I want to talk to that farmer who want to start dairy goat and which is the best goat to start with. It is better for a farmer who is or want to venture or to invest in dairy goats to start with a good breed, a good breed that cannot let you down. So when we are buying or when it comes to goat, you always look for a goat that can adapt climatic changes, a goat that cannot disappoint you. So there are these goats which cannot adapt changes. So those goats are not good for a farmer or for a beginner. So if you are to begin or you are beginner, it is advisable that you start with alpine goat. Alpine goat adopt climate climate changes and it will never disappoint you and it will give you milk or a lot of milk that you want. So that is the advice or my advice that I can give to a beginner in dairy farming. So you can visit my farm and we can learn more about goat keeping. Farm visits are very important. Farm training are very important because we keep on advancing and having knowledge in what we are planning to do. So be my guest and thank me later.